00 Overview. 1 to 1. 1 Introduction. 1.1 DX100 Overview. The main power switch and the door lock are located on the front of the DX100 controller. The emergency stop button is installed in the upper right corner of the cabinet door and the programming pendant hangs from a hook below the button. For information on setup, installation, and connection of the DX100 system, refer to the DX100 instructions. Fig. 1 to 1. DX100 front view. Main power switch. Door lock. Door lock 1 introduction. DX100 1.2 programming pendant. 1 to 2. 1.2 programming pendant. 1.2.1 programming pendant overview. The programming pendant is equipped with the keys and buttons used to conduct manipulator teaching operations and to edit jobs. Fig. 1 to 2. PP overview. Main menu shortcut. Job content. 0 to 1 2 to 3 4 to 5 6 to 7 8 to 9 10 to 11. Test 1 control group R1 tool. 0000. Knob set B0001 set B001 0 mobj VJ equals 80.00 mobj VJ equals 80.00 .ot number 10 on timer equals 3.00 mobj VJ equals 80.00 mobj VJ equals 100.00 mobj VJ equals 100.00 mobj VJ equals 100.00 mobj VJ equals 100.00. Turn on servo power. Job edit display utility. Mobj VJ equals 0.78 s. Select minus plus plus, li minus o plus I plus, ooze minus, a plus plus, rx minus, r plus plus, bi minus, plus I plus, tz minus, plus plus, teach, play, remote, start hold, slow, 8 minus 8 plus, 2, fast, test start, high speed, BWD FWD, interlock, weld on slash off, assist, servo on, cancel, servo on ready, main menu, page area, go back, direct open, tool cell, chord, multi, layout, manual speed, tool cell, entry, delete, modify, shift, enter, insert, 9, 6, 3, minus, 2, 5, 7 8, 4, 1, motion 0 type, inform list, robot, X, axis, AUX, main menu, simple menu, chord, servo on ready, page area, cancel, direct open, go back, servo on, shift, start button hold button, emergency stop button, insertion slot for compact flash, page key, select key, manual speed keys, access keys, enable switch option, enter key, numeric keys slash function keys press to input numbers. These keys are also used as function keys to input instructions, etc. Keys function is automatically switched when function keys are available. Motion type key, enable switch located on the back of the programming pendant. When you lightly squeeze it, the power turns on. When you firmly squeeze it, the power turns off. Cursor key. General purpose display area. Menu area. Mode switch. E plus 1 introduction. DX100 1.2 programming pendant. 1 to 3. 1.2.2 key description. 1.2.2.1 character keys. The keys which have characters printed on them are denoted with, for example, is shown as enter. The numeric keys have additional functions along with their number values. Dual function keys are used in the context of the operation being performed. For example, may be described in the text as 1 or timer. 1.2.2.2 symbol keys. The keys which have a symbol printed on them are not denoted with but depicted with a small picture, with the exception of the cursor key, which is not shown with a picture. 1.2.2.3 axis keys and numeric keys. The keys pictured in the following are referred to as the axis keys and numeric keys when described. 1.2.2.4 keys pressed simultaneously. When two keys are to be pressed simultaneously, the keys are shown with a plus sign between them, such as shift plus chord, enter, 1 timer, cursor, emergency stop button, direct open key, page key, direct open, page, go back, SX minus plus plus, li minus O plus I plus, ooze minus, A plus plus, E minus E plus, RX minus, R plus plus, bi minus, plus I plus, TZ minus, plus plus, gas, feed, retract, 9, 6, 3, minus, 2, arc off 5, arcin, 7 8, 4, 1 timer, ref 0, smov, synchro single, tool 1 on, tool 1 off, tool 2 on, tool 2 off, 8 minus 8 plus, axis keys numeric keys 1 introduction, DX100 1.2 programming pendant, 1 to 4, 1.2.3 programming pendant keys, starts the manipulator motion in playback, operation. The lamp on this button is lit during the play operation. The lamp also lights when the playback operation is started by the system input start signal. The lamp turns off when the playback operation is stopped by alarm occurrence, hold signal, or mode change. Hold holds the manipulator motion. This button is enabled in any mode. The lamp on this button is lit only while the button is being pressed. Although the lamp turns off when the button is released, the manipulator stays stopped until a start command is input. The hold lamp automatically lights in the following cases to indicate that the system is in hold status. The start and access operations are disabled while the lamp is lit. 1. The hold signal of system input is on. 2. The hold request is being sent from an external device in remote mode. 3. In the hold status caused by an error occurred in working process, such as wire sticking at arc welding. Stop button turns off the servo power. When the servo power is turned off, the servo on LED on the programming pendant will extinguish. An emergency stop message is displayed on the screen. Mode selects the play mode, teach mode, or remote mode. Play mode. The playback of taught job is enabled. The start signal from an external device is disabled. Teach mode. The access operation and addition from the programming pendant are enabled. The start signal from an external device is disabled. Remote mode. The operation by external signals is enabled. Start is invalid during the remote mode. Teach, play. Remote 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 5. Enable switch turns on the servo power. The enable switch is active only when the servo on LED is blinking, the safety plug is on, and the mode switch is set to teach. When this switch is lightly squeezed, the power turns on. When firmly squeezed, the power turns off. Select works as described below. Selects menu items in the main menu area and the pull-down menu area. Makes the selected item ready to be set in the general purpose display area. Displays multiple messages in the message area. Cursor moves the cursor in the direction of the arrow. The size of the cursor and the range/place where the cursor can move will vary depending on the window. If the up cursor button is pressed when the cursor is on the first line, the cursor will move to the last line of the job. Conversely, if the cursor is on the last line of the job and the down cursor button is pressed, the cursor will jump to the first line of the job. Shift plus up scrolls the screen upward. Shift plus down scrolls the screen downward. Shift plus right scrolls the screen to the right. Shift plus left scrolls the screen to the left. Main menu displays the main menu. If this button is pressed while the main menu is displayed, the main menu disappears. Main menu plus up increases the brightness of the screen. Main menu plus down decreases the brightness of the screen. Simple menu displays the simple menu. If this button is pressed while the simple menu is displayed, the simple menu disappears. Select main menu. Entry simple menu 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 6. Servo on ready enables the servo power supply to be turned on. Press this button to enable the servo power supply to be turned on if the servo power supply is shut off by the emergency stop or overrun signal. When this button is pressed, in the play mode, the servo power supply is turned on if the safeguarding is securely closed. In the teach mode, the servo on lamp flashes and the servo power supply is turned on when the enable switch is on. The servo on lamp is lit while the servo power is on. Assist displays the menu to assist the operation for the currently displayed window. Pressing this button with Shift or Interlock displays the help guidance for the operation. Shift plus assist the function list of key combinations with Shift appears. Interlock plus assist the function list of key combinations with Interlock appears. Cancel cancels the current status. Deletes the sub-menu in the main menu area and the pull-down menu area. Cancels the input data or the input status in the general purpose display area. Cancels the multiple views in the message area. Cancels the occurred error. Multi works for the multi-mode. If this button is pressed when the multi-mode is on, the active window switches. Shift plus multi switches between the multi-window display and the single window display when the multi-mode is on. Select the operation coordinate system when the manipulator is operated manually. 5 coordinate systems joint. Cartesian, cylindrical, tool and user can be used. Each time this key is pressed, the coordinate system is switched in the following order. Joint WLD/SIL tool user. The selected coordinate system is displayed on the status display area. Shift plus coord. The coordinate number can be changed when the tool or user coordinate system is selected. Servo on ready. Assist. Cancel. Multi. Layout. Tool cell. Coord. Tool cell 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 7. Direct open displays the content related to the current line. To display the content of a call job or condition file, move the cursor to the next line and press direct open. The file will be displayed for the selected line. Display content will vary depending on the type of instruction used in the job. Example, for a call instruction, the content of the called job will be displayed. For a work instruction, the content of the condition file will be displayed. For input/output instructions, the input/output condition will be displayed. The lamp on this button is lit while the direct open is on. Press this button while the lamp is lit to return to the previous window. Page displays the next page. The page can be switched only when the lamp on this button is lit. Shift plus page switches to the previous page. Area moves the cursor in the following order. Menu. Area general purpose display area message area main menu area. If no item is displayed, the cursor does not move. Shift plus area. The language can be switched when the bilingual function is valid. Bilingual function is optional. Area plus down moves the cursor from the general purpose display area to the operation button when the operation button is displayed. Area plus up moves the cursor to the general purpose display area when the cursor is on the operation button. Shift changes the functions of other keys by pressing together. Can be used with assist. Chord. Area. Motion type. Robot. X. Axis. Cursor key or numeric key to access alternate functions. Refer to the description of each key for the alternate shift functions. Interlock changes the functions of other keys by pressing together. Can be used with assist. Multi. Test start. FWD. Or numeric key customize function. Robot. Refer to the description of each key for the alternate interlock functions. Direct open. Page. Go back. Area. Shift. Interlock 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 8. Inform list displays instruction lists of commands available for job editing. Robot enables the robot axis operation. Robot is active for the system where multiple manipulators are controlled by one DX100 or the system with external axes. Shift plus robot. The robot under axis operation can be switched to a robot axis which is not registered to the currently selected job. Interlock plus robot switches the application when several applications are set to a robot X. Axis enables the external axis base axis or station axis. Operation X. Axis is active for the system with external axes. Shift plus X. Axis. The external axis under axis operation can be switched to an external axis which is not registered to the currently selected job. Motion type selects the interpolation type for playback. Operation. The selected interpolation type is shown in the status display area on the screen. Each time this key is pressed, the interpolation type changes in the following order. MOVs. Shift plus motion type. The interpolation mode changes in the following order. Standard external reference point *, conveyor *. Interpolation type can be changed in any mode. *. These modes are purchased options. Test start moves the manipulator through taught steps in a continuous motion when test start and interlock are simultaneously pressed. The manipulator can be moved to check the path of taught steps. Operation stops immediately when this key is released. The manipulator operates according to the currently selected operation cycle, auto, 1 cycle, or step. The manipulator operates at the taught speed. However, if the taught speed exceeds the maximum teaching speed, the operation proceeds at the maximum teaching speed. Inform list. Robot. X. Axis. Motion type. Test start 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 9. FWD moves the manipulator through the taught steps. While this key is pressed, only move instructions are executed, one instruction at a time. No welding instructions. Interlock plus FWD. All instructions are executed. Ref plus FWD moves to the reference point of the cursor line. See chapter 3.3.1.3. Moving to reference point at page 3 to 27. The manipulator operates at the selected manual speed. Make sure that the selected manual speed is the desired one before starting operation. BWD moves the manipulator through the taught steps in the reverse direction while this key is pressed. Only move instructions are executed, no weld commands. The manipulator operates at the selected manual speed. Make sure that the selected manual speed is the desired one before starting operation. Delete deletes the registered instruction. Deletion completes when enter is pressed while this key lamp is lit. Insert inserts a new instruction. Insertion completes when enter is pressed while this key lamp is lit. Modify modifies the taught position, data or instruction. Modification completes when enter is pressed while this key lamp is lit. Enter registers instructions, data, current position of the manipulator, etc. When enter is pressed, the instruction or data displayed in the input buffer line moves to the cursor position to complete a registration, insertion, or modification. FWD, BWD, delete, insert, modify, enter 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 10. Manual speed. Keys. Sets the speed for manual operation. This speed is also valid for operations with FWD and BWD. There are 4 speed levels: slow, medium, fast, and inching. The speed changes as described below. The selected speed is displayed on the status area each time fast is pressed. Manual speed changes in the following order: inch, slow, med, F street. Each time slow is pressed, manual speed changes in the following order: F street, med, slow, inch. High speed makes the manipulator move at high speed while this button and one of the axis keys are pressed simultaneously during manual operation. No need to change the setting of speed. The speed for high speed is specified in advance. Axis keys move specified axes on manipulator. The manipulator axes only move while the key is pressed. Multiple axes can be operated simultaneously by pressing 2 or more keys at the same time. The manipulator operates in the selected coordinate system at the selected manual speed. Make sure that the selected coordinate system and the manual speed are the desired ones before starting the axis operation. It is possible to allocate any external axes to E- plus E plus 8 minus plus 8 plus keys to operate them. Refer to Chapter 6.10 Jog Key Allocation at page 6 to 110. Numeric keys enters the number or symbol when the prompt appears on the input line. Is the decimal point. Minus is a minus sign or hyphen. The numeric keys are also used as function keys. Refer to the explanation of each function for details. Fast, slow, manual speed, high speed, SX minus plus plus, Y minus O plus I plus, Ooze minus, A plus plus, E minus E plus, RX minus, R plus, Y minus, plus I plus, TZ minus, plus, 8 minus 8 plus, gas, feed, retract, 9, 6, 3, minus, 2, arc off 5, arcin, 7 8, 4, 1 timer, ref 0, smov, synchro single, tool 1 on, tool 1 off, tool 2 on, tool 2 off 1 introduction, DX 101.2 programming pendant, 1 to 11. 1.2.4 Programming Pendant Display. The programming pendant display is a 5.7-inch color display. Alphanumeric characters can be used. 1.2.4.15 Display areas. The general purpose display area, menu area, human interface display area, and main menu area. Among the following 5 areas can be moved by pressing area, or can be selected by directly touching the screen. Each window displayed during operations is provided with its name on the upper left of the general purpose display area. Menu area, status display area, general purpose display area, human interface display area, main menu area. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant, 1 to 12. 1.2.4.2 General Purpose Display Area. On the General Purpose Display Area, various settings and contents such as jobs and characteristics files can be displayed and edited. The operation buttons are also displayed at the bottom of the window according to the window contents. To move the cursor to the operation button, press area plus down cursor key. To move the cursor to the general purpose display area, press area plus up cursor key or press cancel. To move the cursor between the operation buttons, use the right or left cursor key. To execute the operation button, move the cursor to the button and press select. Execute continues operation with the displayed contents. Cancel cancels the displayed contents and returns to the previous window. Complete completes the setting operation displayed on the general purpose display area. Stop stops operation when loading, saving, or verifying with an external memory device. Release releases the overrun and shock sensor function. Reset resets an alarm. Cannot reset major alarms. Page jumps to the appropriate page if the page can be switched. When the page can be switched by specifying the page number, the following input box appears when direct page is selected. Directly type the desired page number and press enter. When the page can be switched by selecting an item, the following selection list appears when direct page is selected. Select a desired item using the up and down cursor key and press enter. Jump to page. Operation buttons. General purpose display area. Page 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 13. 1.2.4.3 Main menu area. Each menu and submenu are displayed in the main menu area. Press main menu or touch main menu on the left bottom of the window to display the main menu. 1.2.4.4 Status display area. The status display area shows controller status. The displayed information will vary depending on the controller mode. Play/teach. A control group displays the active control group for systems equipped with station axes or several robot axes. To robot axes. To base axes. To station axes. A group operation axis. B operation coordinate system. C manual speed. G mode. F state under execution. E operation cycle. D security mode. I page. H tool number. K weak battery. T L saving data. J multi-mode. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 14. B operation coordinate system displays the selected coordinate system, switched by pressing chord. Joint coordinates. Cartesian coordinates. Cylindrical coordinates. Tool coordinates. User coordinates. C manual speed displays the selected speed. For details, refer to Chapter 2.2.0.5. Select manual speed at page 2 to 4. Inching. Low speed. Medium speed. High speed. D security mode. Operation mode. Edit mode. Management mode. E operation cycle displays the present operation cycle. Step cycle. Continuous. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 15. F state under execution displays the present system status. Stop, hold, stop, alarm, or run. Stop status, hold status, emergency stop status, alarm status, operating status. G mode, teach mode, play mode. H tool number. Display the tool no, which is chosen by a robot when the tool no switch function is valid. S2C431 equals 1. I. Page. Displayed when the page can be switched. J. Multi-mode. Displayed when the multi-window mode is set. K. Weak battery of memory. Displayed when the battery of memory is weak. L. Saving data. Displayed while saving the data. T. P. From to 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 16. 1.2.4.5 Human Interface Display Area. An errors or a message is displayed in the Human Interface Display Area. When an error is displayed, operations cannot be performed until the error is cancelled. Press Cancel to allow for operations. When 2 or more errors occur, appears in the Message Display Area. Activate the Message Display Area and press Select to view the list of current errors. To close the error list, select Close or press Cancel. 1.2.4.6 Menu Area. The menu area is used to edit a job, manage jobs, and execute various utilities. Turn on servo power. Help. Close. 5/9. Cannot load macro job at current security mode. Cannot insert /modify /delete for group access detachment. Cannot insert /modify /delete for access detachment 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 17. 1.2.5 screen descriptions. The menu displayed in the programming pendant is denoted with. The above menu items are denoted with data, edit, display, and utility. The window can be displayed according to the view desired. Full window view, upper window view, middle window view, lower window view 1 introduction. DX 101.2 programming pendant. 1 to 18. 1.2.6 character input operation. Move the cursor to the data for which characters are to be input, and press select to display the software keypad. 1.2.6.1 character input. To input characters. The software keypad is shown on the programming pendant display. There are 3 types of software keypads. The alphanumeric keypads each for uppercase and lowercase characters, and the symbol keypad. To switch between the alphanumeric keypads and the symbol keypad, touch the button tab on the screen or press page. To switch the alphanumeric keypads between uppercase and lowercase characters, touch caps lock off or caps lock on. 1.2.6.2 operation. Keypad button on the programming pendant. Explanation. Cursor moves the cursor focus. Select selects a character. Cancel clears all the characters being typed. Pressing this second time cancels the software keypad. Enter enters the input characters. Button tab switches the keypads displayed on the programming pendant. Closes the software keypad. Numeric keys. 2. Enters numbers. Select. Cancel. Enter. Page. Go back. Main menu. 0. 9.1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 19. 1.2.6.3 Alphanumeric Input. Number input is performed with the numeric keys or on the following alphanumeric input window. Numbers include 0 to 9, the decimal point, and the minus sign /-. Note, however, that the decimal point cannot be used in job names. Press the page key to display the alphanumeric input window. Move the cursor to the desired letter and press select to enter the letter. For numbers and uppercase characters. For numbers and lowercase characters. Page. Go back 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 20. 1.2.6.4 Symbol Input. Press the page key to display the symbol input window. Move the cursor to the desired symbol and press select to enter the symbol. Note that only some symbols are available for naming jobs. For symbols, supplement. When the focus is in a text field of result, it is able to move a cursor position by pressing Shift plus or Shift plus. Page. Go back 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 21. 1.2.6.5 Register Word Function. This function enables to use the registered word when input a character by registering the word character string in advance. To use this function simplifies to input the same character strings. It is able to register the 32 words of 8 characters. Select Set Word from Setup in the main menu. Register Word window is displayed. The registered words are displayed in the word area. If there is not any registered word, unable to select name order, delete and delete all in the button area. Supplement. There is a limit to enter the character by input contents. If a registered word includes a limited character, it is unable to use the word, e.g. unable to use the lowercase characters, a decimal point and symbols to the job name. Word area button area 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 22. Word registration. It is able to register the 32 words of 8 characters. Register a word by selecting Register Word button while the word editing is valid as 2C410 equals 1 during using the keyboard. Or register the word in the word register screen, e.g. register the word test. Select keyboard, enter test by using the keyboard, and select regist. The dial box appears. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 23. Select register word. The word area appears. Confirm that test is in the word area. Backspace. Delete the last character of the input character string. Select backspace in the word register screen. Delete the last character of the input character string. Cancel. Cancel the input character string. Select cancel in the word register screen. Cancel the character string if there is a character string as input. End the word register screen if there is not any character string. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 24. Use of words. E.g. use the registered word test. Select register word. The word area is displayed. Select test in the word area. The registered word test appears in the input area. Supplement. There is a limit to enter the character by input contents. If a registered word includes a limited character, it is unable to use the word, e.g. unable to use the lowercase characters, a decimal point and symbols to the job name. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 25. Select keyboard. Move the focus to 1 by the programming pendant, and press select. The 1 is added after test in the result, while test 1 is displayed in the result. Select regist. The dial box, which says test 1 word registration succeeded, upperas, and the registration is completed. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 26. Change the arrangement of the words to display. Able to change the arrangement of the words to display. 1. Name order display. Select name order in the button area. Displayed by the name order of the words. Name order button changes to register order button. 2. Register order display. Select register order in the button area. Displayed by the register order of the words. Register order button changes to name order button. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 27. Delete the word. Able to delete the registered words. Delete the words while the word editing is valid as 2C410 equals 1 during using the keyboard. Or delete the word in the word register screen, e.g. delete registered word test. Select register word. The word area appears. Select test in the word area, and select delete in the button area. The dialog box, which asks test do you delete a word, appears. Select yes. Test in the word area is deleted. 1 Introduction. DX 101.2 Programming Pendant. 1 to 28. Delete all words. Able to delete all registered words. Delete while the word editing is valid as 2C410 equals 1 during using the keyboard. Or delete the word in the word register screen. Delete all registered words. Select delete all in the button area. The dialog box, which asks do you delete all words, appears. Select yes. The all words are deleted. 1 Introduction. DX 101.3 Mode. 1 to 29. 1.3 Mode. The following 3 modes are available for DX 100. Teach mode. Play mode. Remote mode. 1.3.1 Teach mode. In the teach mode, the following can be done. Preparation and teaching of a job. Modification of a registered job. Setting of various characteristic files and parameters. 1.3.2 Play mode. In the play mode, the following can be done. Playback of a taught job setting, modification, or deletion of various condition files. 1.3.3 Remote mode. In the remote mode, the operations such as servo on ready, start, cycle change, call master job can be commanded by external input signals. The operations by external input signals become enabled in the remote mode, while start on the programming pendant becomes disabled. The data transmission function optional function is also available in the remote mode. The following table shows how each operation is input in each mode. 1.3.4 Teach mode priority. In the teach mode, following operations are disabled. 1. Playback using start. 2. Playback from external input signals. Mode. Operation. Teach mode. Play mode. Remote mode. Servo on ready. PP external input signal start invalid. PP external input signal cycle change. PP external input signal call master job. PP external input signal note. PP indicates the programming pendant. 1 Introduction. DX 101.4 Security mode. 1 to 30. 1.4 Security mode. 1.4.1 Types of security modes. The following 3 types of security modes are available for DX 100. Any operation in the edit mode and the management mode requires a password. The password must contain between 4 and 8 letters, numbers, or symbols. Operation mode. The operator can monitor the line operation and start and stop the manipulator, repairs, etc. Can be performed if any abnormalities are detected. Edit mode. Teaching, robot job operations, and editing of jobs and various condition files can be performed in addition to the operations enabled in the operation mode. Management mode. The operator who performs setup and maintenance for the system can set the machine control parameter, set the time, change the password, etc. in addition to the operations enabled in the edit mode. 1 Introduction. DX 101.4 Security mode. 1 to 31. Table 1 to 1. Menu and security mode. Sheet 1 of 4. Main menu. Sub menu. Allowed security mode. Display edit. Job operation edit. Select job operation, create new job 1, edit master job operation, edit job capacity operation raise. Start job 1, edit raise. Status 2, operation cycle operation. Variable byte operation edit. Integer operation edit, double operation edit, real operation edit, string operation edit, position robot, operation edit, position base, operation edit, position st, operation edit, local variable operation minus, in slash out, external input operation edit, external output operation edit, universal input operation, universal output operation, specific input operation, specific output operation, rin operation, c print operation, register operation management, auxiliary relay operation, control input operation, pseudo input, sig operation management, network input operation, network output operation, analog output operation, sv power status operation, ladder program management I/O alarm management I/O message management 1 introduction. DX100 1.4 security mode, 1 to 32. Robot current position operation minus. Command position operation, servo monitor management, work home POS, operation edit, second home POS, operation edit, drop amount management power on/off POS, operation tool edit interference management shock sense level, operation edit, user coordinate edit home position management manipulator type management, analog monitor management overrun and S sensor 1, edit limit release 1, edit arm control 1, management shift value operation minus, system info version operation minus. Monitoring time operation management, alarm history operation management I/O MSG history operation management, security operation FD/CF load edit minus. Save operation, verify operation, delete operation, device operation, folder edit management, initialize 1, operation minus. Table 1 to 1, menu and security mode, sheet 2 of 4, main menu, sub menu, allowed security mode, display edit 1 introduction. DX100 1.4 security mode, 1 to 33. Parameter S1 CXG management S2C management S3C management S4C management A1P management A2P management A3P management A4P management A5P management A6P management A7P management A8P management RS management S1E management S2E management S3E management S4E management S5E management S6E management S7E management S8E management, setup, teaching pinned, edit, operate pinned, management operate, enable management function, enable management jog pinned, management playback pinned, management function pinned, management date/time management GRP combination 2, management reserve job name edit, user ID edit set speed management key allocation management jog key alloc, edit management raise. Start synced, management auto backset management wrong data log, edit management energy saving function, edit management, display setup, change font operation, change button operation, initialize layout operation, change window pattern operation, table 1 to 1, menu and security mode, sheet 3 of 4, main menu, sub menu, allowed security mode, display edit 1 introduction, DX100 1.4 security mode, 1 to 34, arc welding, arc start pinned, operation edit, arc end pinned, operation edit, arc AUX pinned, operation edit, power source pinned, operation edit, arc weld diag, operation edit, weaving operation edit, arc monitor operation edit, arc monitor sample operation minus, handling diagnosis operation edit, spot welding, weld diagnosis operation edit, I/O allocation management gun condition management spot power source pinned, management application condition setting management spot welding motor gun, weld diagnosis operation edit, gun pressure edit I/O allocation management gun condition management clearance setting operation edit, spot power source pinned, management tip installation operation management, application setting management general weaving operation edit, general diag operation edit, common to all applications, I/O variable customize operation 1 displayed in the teach mode only, 2 displayed in the play mode only. Table 1 to 1, menu and security mode, sheet 4 of 4, main menu, sub menu, allowed security mode, display edit 1 introduction, DX100 1.4 security mode, 1 to 35, 1.4.2 changing security modes. The security mode can be changed only when the main menu is displayed. 1. Select system info under the main menu. The sub menu appears. 2. Select security. The security of the main menu is shown. The security mode can be selected from operation mode, edit mode, or management mode. 1 introduction. DX100 1.4 Security Mode, 1 to 36. 3. Select the desired security mode. When the selected security mode is higher than the currently set mode, the user ID input status window appears. 4. Input the user ID as required. At the factory, the user ID number is preset as follows. Edit mode, 000000000. Management mode, 99,999,999. 5. Press enter. The selected security mode's input ID is checked. If the correct user ID is input, the security mode is changed. 2 Manipulator Coordinate Systems and Operations. DX100 2.1 Control Groups and Coordinate Systems. 2 to 1. 2 Manipulating Axis of the Fixture. This is the stems. 2.1.1 Control Group. For the DX100, a group of axes to be controlled at a time is called control group, and the group is classified into 3 units. Robot as a manipulator itself. Base that moves the manipulator in parallel, and station as jigs or tools other than robot and base. Base and station are also called external axes. Robot, base, station. This is the axis for the manipulator itself. This is any axis other than the robot and base. It indicates the tilt or rotating axis of the fixture. This is the axis that moves the entire manipulator. It corresponds to the servo track. It controls the path of traveling manipulators. 2 Manipulator Coordinate Systems and Operations. DX100 2.1 Control Groups and Coordinate Systems. 2 to 2. 2.1.2 Types of Coordinate Systems. The following coordinate systems can be used to operate the manipulator. Joint coordinates. Each axis of the manipulator moves independently. Cartesian coordinates. The tool tip of the manipulator moves parallel to any of the I- and Z axes. Cylindrical coordinates. The theta axis moves around the S axis. The R axis moves parallel to the L axis arm. For vertical motion, the tool tip of the manipulator moves parallel to the Z axis. Tool coordinates. The effective direction of the tool mounted in the wrist flange of the manipulator is defined as the Z axis. This axis controls the coordinates of the end point of the tool. User coordinates. The Z Cartesian coordinates are defined at any point and angle. The tool tip of the manipulator moves parallel to the axes of them. Y-axis, X-axis, Z-axis, Z-axis, X-axis, Y-axis. Joint coordinates. Cartesian coordinates. Cylindrical coordinates. Tool coordinates. User coordinates. U-axis, R-axis, B-axis, T-axis, E-axis, L-axis, S-axis, R-axis, R-axis, Z-axis, X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Axis. 2 Manipulator Coordinate Systems and Operations. DX100 2.2 General Operations. 2 to 3. 2.2 General Operations. 2.2.0.1 Check Safety. Before any operation of the DX100, read Section 1 Safety of DX100 instructions again and keep safe around the robot system or peripherals. 2.2.0.2 Select Teach Mode. Set the mode switch on the programming pendant to teach. 2.2.0.3 Select Control Group. If the DX100 has several control groups or coordinate control systems, optional function, select control group first. If 2 or more robot, base, station are registered, switch control group by pressing Shift plus robot or Shift plus X, axis. After selecting a job, the control group registered in the selected job is enabled. The control group registered in the edit job can be switched by pressing robot or X, axis. Check the selected control group at the status display area on the programming pendant. 2.2.0.4 Select Coordinate System. Select a coordinate system by pressing Coord key. Each time Coord key is pressed, the coordinate system switches in the following order. Joint Cartesian Cylindrical Tool User. Check the selected coordinate on the status display area on the programming pendant. 2 Manipulator Coordinate Systems and Operations. DX100 2.2 General Operations. 2 to 4. 2.2.0.5 Select Manual Speed. Select manual speed of operation by pressing fast or slow. The selected speed is effective not only for axis operation, but FWD or BWD operation. Each time fast is pressed, the speed switches in the order of inch slow med fast, inch SLW med F street. Each time slow is pressed, the speed switches in the order of fast med slow inch, F street med SLW inch. Check selected manual speed on the status area of programming pendant. 2.2.0.6 Servo on. Press servo on ready, then servo on LED starts blinking. Squeeze the enable switch, then servo on LED starts lighting. 2.2.0.7 Axis operation. Make sure of safety around the manipulator. Press axis key, then axis moves according to the selected control group, coordinates, and manual speed. See Chapter 2.3 Coordinate Systems and Axis Operation at page 2 to 5. 2.2.0.8 High Speed. Press high speed while pressing an axis key to make the manipulator move faster than the usual speed. Note in operating the manipulator manually by the programming pendant, The maximum speed of center point is limited at 250 mm/s. Fast, slow, supplement. The high-speed key is disabled when inch is selected for the manual speed. 2 manipulator coordinate systems and operations. DX102.3 coordinate systems and axis operation. 2 to 5. 2.3 coordinate systems and axis operation. 2.3.1 joint coordinates. When operating in joint coordinates mode, the S, L, U, R, B, and T axes of the manipulator move independently. The motion of each axis is described in the table below. Table 2 to 1. Axis motion in joint coordinates. Axis name, axis operation, key motion, major axes. S axis main unit rotates right and left. L axis lower arm moves forward and backward. U axis upper arm moves up and down. Wrist axes. R axis wrist rolls right and left. B axis wrist moves up and down. T axis wrist turns right and left. E axis lower arm turns right and left. Supplement. When 2 or more axis keys are pressed at the same time, the manipulator will perform a compound movement. However, if 2 different directional keys for the same axis are pressed at the same time, such as minus, plus, none of the axes operate. SXS plus, lil plus I plus, us, a plus, RX, R plus, by, plus I plus, TZ, plus, E minus E plus 2 manipulator coordinate systems and operations. DX 102.3 coordinate systems and axis operation. 2 to 6. 2.3.2 Cartesian coordinates. In the Cartesian coordinates, the manipulator moves parallel to the minus, I minus, or Z axes. The motion of each axis is described in the table below. U axis, R axis, B axis, T axis, E axis, L axis, S axis, SXS plus, Li, O plus I plus, us, A plus, E plus, RX, R plus, by, plus I plus, T.